Welcome to PandaHall, where your everyday jewelry meets comfort and effortless style. Explore our curated collection of chandelier earrings, designed to sparkle, sway, and captivate. Intricate shapes, layered textures, and eye-catching designs. These earrings turn heads from every angle. Designed for comfort and charm, each bracelet stretches to fit, with no clasps needed. Whether worn alone or stacked, they add a personal touch to any look. Style that stretches with your imagination. Our stretch bracelets combine versatility and charm, giving every jewelry design a flexible, effortless finish, from casual stacks to custom creations. Thank you for watching. See you next time.